This is a Selco cardboard baler. We'll put the exact specs of depth and width in the description. Pretty simple setup. You just have a cycle and an up button. So essentially this will cycle, it'll come down, it'll bale, and it'll go back up. You keep adding in cardboard and baling until you have enough. And then you would actually, put a string or metal wire around it to hold it together. But we're just going to show you everything cycles correctly. So there's a safety latch here so it doesn't come down on you. You bring this down so you can't put your hands in there. Make sure this is in the out position. Press this. Baler's coming down. It automatically returns back up after it's pressed it down. It even brings the gate back up with it automatically. Unit runs on 3-phase 460 power. Could probably be rewired for 240 if necessary. It's a model V as in Victor 15. We'll put the dimensions in the description. It's right here on the loading dock. Pretty easy to remove. Just needs to be laid down. And that's it.